Good morning, Cloth Cuties mommies. It's Janie here with Cloth Cuties, and I wanted to come on and show you how to use an insert. So, we all know boys can be super heavy wetters, especially as they're growing. It's super common for them to need some extra support. Boys and girls, but we most often see this with boys. So, I want to show you 2 ways to use your insert. First, this is the insert. It is the consistency of it is just like the diaper. It's the same material as the diaper, so you can feel comfortable putting it on baby's skin. It is about 4 or 5 layers of the same material that's inside our lovely diaper. So here's my first suggestion. First, you take our fitted diaper that we're used to. Just place it inside the diaper, fold it up. Boom. Keep going if this works. Try this out first. I would do this as the first step to see if this method works. And if not, you need more absorbency, more support. Here's a second option for you. The second option is to take the insert, fold it in half. As you can see, you're doubling the amount of absorbency. Place it at the front of the diaper. You want to ensure baby's genitals are pointed down, but you want the insert to be where the pee is aimed or lands. So make sure you put that in the front of the diaper, fold it up, and done. Now this will be a little bit of a bulkier look, but it's still trim, and I would suggest that you use this at nighttime and at nap time. Any of the other times, like during the day where he's just freely playing, I would keep going with your regular fitted diaper unless you feel like you need a more protection for leaks. I've included 20 inserts in the diaper drop off for you this week. If you need more or you like this, you want to keep going, we'll order more and make sure that you're fully stocked. Thanks. If you have questions, let us know or book a appointment on Google Meet. Talk to you soon.